have to change a thing. You're the melody my heart loves to sing. Every laugh, every quiet smile makes every moment worthwhile. Like the ocean calm and wide, you're my peace, my joy, my guide. You shine without pretending, a beautiful light that's never ending. Every little part of you makes this love feel strong and true. You're perfect as you are, my love, bright as every star above. Never doubt the beauty you bring. You're the reason my heart can sing. Stay just the way you've always been, with your gentle soul and faithful grin. Hand in hand we'll always grow, together wherever life may go. The island breeze whispers your name, softly calling through the rain. Every sunrise feels brand new, simply because it starts with you. Your kindness blooms like flowers in spring, bringing hope to everything. With every dream and every prayer, I find forever waiting there. When the world feels cold outside, I'll be your shelter side by side. No storm can shake what love has made. Our hearts won't ever fade. Every promise still remains, growing stronger through the changing days. You're perfect as you are, always true. There's no one else I choose but you. Like the moon reflects the sea, you bring out the best in me. Forever walking hand in hand, building dreams we've always planned. One heart, one love, eternally. You're my sweetest melody. As the stars embrace the night, our future shines forever bright. With every dawn and every new day, I love you just the same. Just the same. From the moment our eyes first met, you're the greatest blessing I've known yet. Take my hand and walk with me, where love flows like the endless sea. Every promise, every prayer shows how deeply we both care. letting our love continue to grow. If the rain should fall along the way, we'll find sunshine in each new day. No distance, doubt, or passing time can silence this heart of mine. With every breath, with every smile, our love will travel every mile. All my heart to you belongs forever. Nothing in this world can break us ever. Like the river flowing to the sea, your love is where I'm meant to be. Every heartbeat sings your name, burning with a gentle flame. One love, one soul, one destiny. Forever you're the best of me. As the stars fill up the sky, our love will never say goodbye. With every dawn and every new start, you'll forever hold my heart. Carry you my way, like the dawn awakening a brand new day. Your smile turned the gray skies into blue. From that first moment I believed in you. The ocean whispered secrets to the sand as we walk together hand in hand. Every heartbeat found a sweeter rhyme, like destiny had perfect timing. Love arrives without a sound, then suddenly your whole world turns around. One gentle touch, one honest smile can make every mile worthwhile. When two hearts meet, matter where the road may win, your heart will always be close to mine. We'll turn every tear into a song, finding strength to carry on, with faith and hope to guide our way. Love grows stronger every day. When two hearts meet, the world feels new. Every dream begins with me and you. Like the waves embrace the shore, I'll choose your love forevermore. When two hearts shine with honesty, they create their own sweet harmony. One love, one soul faithfully. Forever you're the home in me. As the moon reflects upon the sea, your love is the sweetest melody. With every dawn and every night, we'll keep our hearts forever bright. Morning light spills over the sea. Every golden wave reminds me of your smile. The island breeze softly calls your name, like a sweet melody that never fades away. From the first moment our hearts aligned, you became my peace through changing times. Every step I take, every dream I find, carries the warmth of your love inside. No matter where this road may lead, you're the answer to my every dream. Like the stars that never leave the sky, your love stays shining in my life. Forever on my mind, night and day, your love lights every step along my way. You're the rhythm dancing in my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Forever on my mind, come what may, nothing could ever wash this love away. Hand in hand we'll write our story bright, wrapped together in the moonlight. The gentle waves keep singing our song, a place where both our hearts belong. Every sunrise paints another chance for love to bloom and hearts to dance. When the rain begins to softly fall, your gentle voice still comforts all. Every promise that we've shared grows stronger with the love we've spared. If tomorrow brings another test, we'll face it with our very best. No fear can break what love has grown. Together we've found our home. Every heartbeat keeps the fire alive. With your love, my spirit will always thrive. Forever on my mind, endlessly, you're the sweetest part of destiny. Like the ocean reaches every shore, I'll choose your heart forevermore. Forever on my mind, pure and true. Every sunrise starts with me and you. One heart, one dream beneath the skies above. Forever surrounded by endless love. As the stars embrace the night, our future shines forever bright. With every dawn and every new day, my heart will never drift away. The sunset lingers on the sea tonight, painting every wave with golden light. I still remember how your laughter flowed, like a gentle river only lovers know. Every corner holds a memory, a quiet echo of what used to be. Though the seasons gently pass us by, your love still lives beneath my sky. Time can soften yesterday's pain, but some hearts never truly change. Every dream still carries your name, like an everlasting flame. You're still in my heart, wherever I go, like the tide that never forgets the shore. Every beat keeps calling your name, even though life has changed. If tomorrow gives us one more chance, I'll meet you with open hands. Until that day, I'll hold on to the light of a love that still feels right. The island breeze still knows our song, a melody that's carried on. Every promise, every smile still walks beside me every mile. Though the distance may remain, love has never been in vain. The stars remind me every night. Some hearts continue to shine bright. If fate should write another page, I'll welcome it with hope, not blame. Every tear has helped me see how precious true love came to be. No bitterness, no regret remains, only gratitude through joy and pain. You're still in my heart, calm and true. Every sunrise reminds me of you. Like the moon embraces the sea, your memory lives peacefully. Whatever road my life may choose, the love we shared I will never lose. One heart, one dream, eternally. Your kindness will always stay with me. As the dawn awakens the sky above, I send you peace, I send you love. Wherever tomorrow leads us to, a part of me will smile for you. Though every sunset feels the same, the waves keep rolling to the shore, but I still find myself wanting more. Your laughter lingers in the air, like a melody that's always there. Softly shines, a treasure carried through my mind. Though miles may stand between our hearts, love keeps every piece from falling apart. Every sunrise gives me hope anew, until the day I stand with you. Every moment without you feels so long, yet your love keeps making me strong. Like the moon that waits for dawn, I know our love keeps shining on. Every heartbeat whispers your name, burning with a gentle flame. No matter where this life may lead, your love is all my soul will need. The stars above still tell our story, filled with hope and quiet glory. Every promise we once made still blossoms like the morning rays. When the rain Every tear will turn to joy. Every dream we'll both enjoy. Every moment without you today brings us closer in its own way. Like the river meets the sea, our hearts were always meant to be. Every sunrise, every night keeps our future shining bright. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever you're the home in me. The morning light will gently rise, bringing hope into our eyes. Until that day we're side by side, I'll keep your love alive inside.
The morning breeze whispers through the trees, carrying your laughter back to me. Golden sunlight dances on the sea, just like the joy you bring so naturally. Every moment spent within your arms feels protected by your quiet charm. You turned ordinary days to gold with a story only love could hold. When the clouds begin to hide the blue, I'll still find my way back home to you. Every heartbeat keeps the promise clear. Our forever starts right here. I've never known a love so true, a heart so warm, a soul like you. Like the moon embracing every tide. You're my peace, my joy, my guide. I've never felt this kind of grace. Every smile shines upon your face. Hand in hand we'll always be, growing like the endless sea. Growing like the endless sea. The rhythm of the waves becomes our song, a place where both our hearts belong. Every dream we plan together grows like flowers where the warm wind blows. Even if the seasons gently change, our faithful love remains the same. Every kiss tells my heart anew, forever starts and ends with you. If the night should bring uncertain skies, hope will always rise with sunrise. We'll keep dancing through rain, turning every hurt to healing again. No fear can silence what we share. Our love is stronger than despair. I've never known a love so true. Every road keeps leading back to you. You're the melody my spirit sings, the joy that every morning brings. Together we'll write tomorrow's page, with hearts that only grow with age. One soul, one dream, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. As the stars shine soft above, we'll always walk the road of love. With every dawn, with every smile, our hearts will bloom. Mile after mile, mile after mile.
Dancing on the ocean tonight. Your smile turns every shadow into light. When the world gets heavy, you hold my hand. Together we're stronger, together we stand. Every heartbeat whispers your sweet name. Every sunrise tells me love remains. No matter where this journey may lead, your gentle touch is all I need. Even through the storms, we'll never let go. Love keeps blooming like the flowers grow. Every tear becomes a brighter day. With you beside me, I'll find my way. Forever by your side, my heart will stay, holding on to love in every way. You're the melody my soul has known. With you I'll never walk alone. Forever by your side, come what may. Our love shines brighter every day. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my guiding star. Soft winds carry promises so true. Every dream feels complete with you. When distance tries to pull apart our hearts, fate reminds us where true love starts. Every embrace heals yesterday's pain, like sunshine after gentle rain. I'll write your name across the skies, forever reflected in my hands. If the night should bring a lonely tear, listen close, my love is always near. change what's real. Our hearts know what forever feels. Every laugh, every kiss we share builds a love beyond compare. Forever by your side, hand in hand, building dreams across this land. You're my shelter, my sweetest song. With your love I will stay strong. Forever by your side we'll be, growing like the endless sea. One heart, one love, one destiny, together for eternity. Love will rise with the morning sun. Two hearts beating now as one, wrapped in peace beneath the skies above us, forever living in the light of love. Morning sunlight falls across your face, filling every corner with gentle grace. Your laughter brings the silence back to life, turning every burden into something light. Every little promise that we made still shines brighter than the evening rays. In your arms I found a peaceful shore, a place my heart has searched forevermore. Though the road may twist and bend, true love always finds the end. When the rain begins to fall, your love becomes my shelter through it all. Every beat of my heart belongs with you. Every dream we've dreamed is coming true. Hold me close beneath the moonlit sky. Together our spirits learn to fly. Every beat of my heart will always sing. You're the joy that every season brings. No distance, no storm can pull apart the endless rhythm of heart. The ocean whispers softly to the breeze, just like your voice brings my soul to ease. Every kiss erases yesterday's pain, like flowers blooming after summer rain. When tomorrow feels so far away, your love becomes my brightest day. Side by side we'll write our story slow, growing stronger everywhere we go.
the sea. You're the missing part of me. Every beat of my heart will always know you're the only place my soul calls home. Wrapped in love, we'll never be apart. You'll forever live inside my heart. When the sunrise paints the sky above, we'll still be dancing in the light of love. One heart, one dream, one destiny. Forever you and me. Sunset fades across the sea tonight, leaving memories painted in golden light. Your laughter still echoes through my soul, a melody that always makes me whole. Though the road has carried us apart, your name still beats inside my heart. Every dream we build still softly shine, like stars that never leave the night behind. Time may carry seasons far away, but true love never fades with yesterday. Hope keeps calling through the pouring rain, whispering we'll find our way again. Until love finds us again, I'll keep your flame alive within. Every heartbeat sings your name, though nothing ever stays the same. If tomorrow brings your smile once more, I'll meet you where our hearts first soared. Until love finds us again, my heart will always let you in. I still remember every gentle embrace, every quiet moment, every smiling face. The wind still carries pieces of our song, reminding me where my soul belongs. Even when the nights grow cold and long, your memory keeps my spirit strong. No bitterness, no words to blame, only gratitude for what we became. If destiny should cross our paths someday, I'll greet you with the love that never changed. No regrets hidden in my eyes, only blessings beneath these island skies. Every ending plants another seed for healing hearts to finally breathe. Until love finds us again, the sunshine follows after rain. Every chapter leaves a light behind, a treasure time can never hide. Though life may lead us different ways, I'll cherish all our yesterdays. Until love finds us again, peace and love will always win. Beneath the stars and silver moon, One love lives beyond goodbye, forever carried through the sky. The evening breeze is calling your name, soft as the fire in a gentle flame. The moon is rising over the shore, making me want your love even more. Every whisper carries your smile, write a brand new day, wrapped together beneath the stars above, dancing slowly in the light of love. Stay with me tonight, wherever near. You're the melody I always hear, through every sunrise, through every tide. Forever let our souls collide. Skies. Still I'll be lost inside your eyes. Every promise spoken so true, feels like the first time I found you. When the world keeps turning fast, love reminds us what will last. Side by side we'll gently sway, with every song the islands play. If tomorrow brings another test, we'll face it all and give our best. No fear can steal what love has grown. Together we'll always find our home. Every kiss becomes a prayer, a quiet promise we'll always share. Stay with me tonight, heart to heart. Nothing in this world can keep us apart. Every dream begins with you. Every sunrise feels brand new. Stay with me tonight and always be the sweetest part of my destiny. One love, one life, one endless flame, forever calling your beautiful name. As the waves kiss the sandy shore, I love you now and evermore. Under moonlight calm and bright, we'll keep our love alive tonight. Sun paints gold across the sea. Every gentle way brings you back to me. Your smile is like the island breeze, calming every restless part of me. When your hand reaches out to me, heartbeat finds its place, wrapped forever in your warm embrace. No matter where the road may bend, I'll choose your love again, again. Like the tide returning to the shore, my heart keeps calling you once more. Only your love can light my sky, lift my spirit, help me fly. When the world feels cold and blue, every dream comes alive with you. Only your love can calm the rain, wash away every trace of pain. Side by side we'll always be, growing like the endless sea. The stars above know every prayer. They've seen the promise that we share. Though life may bring uncertain days, love will always find a way. Every sunset tells our story, simple moments filled with glory. With every laugh and every song, I know exactly where I belong. If silence fills the evening air, I'll still feel your heartbeat there. No distance can erase what's true. Every road leads back to you. We'll keep dancing through every season, holding on with hope and reason. Only your love fills my soul, making every broken piece feel whole. You're the rhythm, you're the light, my peaceful day, my starry night. Only your love will always stay, guiding every step I take. One heart, one dream, faithfully, forever it'll belong with me. When dawn awakens the island skies, love will shine within our eyes. Through every season, come what may, our hearts will never lose their way. Evening shadows set along the bay, golden skies slowly fade away. I wander through so many lonely days, searching for a heart that felt the same. Then your smile found me like the dawn, turning silent nights into a song. Every dream I almost almost left behind, bloom the moment our souls align. Some blessings take the longest road, but arrive exactly when they're meant to. Every heartbeat gently says, love is worth the waiting day. Right on time for love, you came to me, like the tide returning to the sea, healing every broken piece inside, giving hope a place to rise. Right on time for love, we'll always know the sweetest flowers bloom, the slowest grow. Hand in hand beneath the stars above, we'll forever treasure this faithful love. The breeze still carries your gentle voice, reminding me I made the perfect choice. Every sunrise paints another page of a story brighter with age. When the rain begins to softly fall, your embrace becomes my shelter through it all. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is everything my spirit needs. Should test our faith, we'll keep dancing through the rain. Every tear becomes a stream, flowing toward a brighter dream. Side by side we'll face the years, turning every doubt to cheers. Right on time for love, our hearts agree, together is where we're meant to be. Like the river meets the endless shore, I'll choose your love forevermore. Right on time for love, forever true. Every sunrise starts with me and you. One heart, one soul, one melody, bound in endless harmony. When morning lights the island sky, our love will never say goodbye. With every breath and every new day, love will always find its way. Morning dew is resting on the leaf, a gentle breeze is dancing through the trees. Your smile awakens every hopeful dream, brighter than the sunlight on the stream. When the world grows quiet after rain, your loving voice calls my name again. Every step we take beneath the sky reminds me love was never passing by. Hold me close when the night is long, together we'll be brave and strong. No matter where tomorrow starts, faith will keep our joy in heart. Stay through every season of my life, through every joy and every trial, like the ocean holding to the shore. I'll keep loving you forever. my soul will never forget. Every laugh becomes a treasured song, a place where both our hearts belong. If the road grows rough beneath our feet, we'll find hope in every heartbeat. Every promise gently shines anew, like the morning sky in shades of blue. When silence fills the evening air, I'll still feel your spirit there. No distance, fear of passing years can wash away what love reveres. We'll build tomorrow side by side, with hope forever as our guide. Stay through every season yet to come. Our greatest story has just begun. Like the stars that never lose their light, we'll keep our dreams forever bright. Stay through every chapter life will write, holding love with all our might. One heart, one soul, faithfully. Forever you belong with me. As the dawn kisses the island sea, your love remains the song in me. With every breath and every new day, our hearts will never drift away. Carries your name, like a quiet fire with a gentle flame. I walk the shoreline where we used to dream, holding on to every memory. The stars above remember every vow. I'm still believing in forever now. Though time has carried us apart, your love still echoes through my heart. Every sunrise brings another chance for two hearts to begin again. No matter how far the road may bend, true love can always find its way. reminding me where I belong. Every little smile we used to share still lingers softly in the air. If tears have fallen with the rain, let's turn them into hope again. One embrace can heal what's been and open up our hearts again. Love is stronger than yesterday. It finds the light through skies of gray. Every heartbeat knows what's true. My soul still reaches out to you. Let's write a brand new melody filled with trust and harmony. Come back to our love tonight. Together we'll make everything right. Like the ocean meets the endless shore, I'll choose your heart forevermore. Come back to our love and stay. Let forever start today. One heart, one dream. Faithfully, you're still the missing part of me. As the morning sun begins to rise, hope is shining in our eyes. With every breath and every new day, our love will always find its way. Come back to our love once again. Let forgiveness wash away the pain. Hold my hand beneath the moonlit sky. We'll leave the lonely nights behind. Come back to our love. Don't be afraid. Every broken dream could be remade. Heart to heart, we'll gently rise above, building tomorrow with endless love. The sunrise paints the waves with shades of gold, a story of our hearts forever told. Your gentle touch is like the morning breeze, bringing quiet comfort and sweet peace. Every smile you share lights up my day, chasing every lonely cloud away. In your embrace I found my home, a place where love is ocean, like the moon and